In a serene lake, nestled among tall trees, a loon named Luna lived. Luna was known for her radiant plumage and enchanting song. One day, she noticed a peculiar object floating near her nest. It was a large, flat stone that reflected her image perfectly. Luna was fascinated by the stone, as she had never seen her reflection before. She spent hours gazing at her reflection, admiring her beauty. She felt proud and content, believing she was the most beautiful creature in the world. One day, a wise old turtle named Tilly approached Luna. "Luna," said Tilly, "I see you've found a mirror. It's a curious thing, but beware its charm. For it doesn't show the truth, but only a reflection." Luna, not understanding, continued to spend her days admiring her reflection. She became vain and neglectful of her duties, spending less time caring for her eggs and singing for her family. The lake, once filled with Luna's melodious song, grew silent. The young loons stopped playing, and the eggs remained unattended. The other animals noticed the change in Luna and began to worry. One day, a fierce storm swept through the lake. Luna, lost in her vanity, failed to protect her eggs as she usually did. The storm washed away her eggs, leaving her desolate and heartbroken. Tilly, seeing Luna's sorrow, approached her again. "Remember, Luna," said Tilly, "a mirror only shows a reflection, not the truth. True beauty comes from within, and it's shown through acts of kindness and love." Luna, filled with regret, realized her mistake. She vowed to change and focused on her family and her duties. She no longer spent hours gazing at her reflection, but instead sang her melodious song for all to hear. From that day forward, Luna became a wise and loving mother, cherished by all in the lake. She learned that true beauty lies not in one's appearance, but in the kindness and love one shows to others. And so, the moral of this story is, true beauty comes from within, and it's shown through acts of kindness and love.